Hi, let's look at this 2019 O-Level E-Maths paper 1. This is question 11b. Alright, so we have a factorization question over here. And as you can see, we have 4 terms. Whenever you have 4 terms in the question, alright, one of the techniques that you should first try out is the grouping technique. Alright, so in the grouping technique, we try to put terms together which have some common factors in them, and then from there we factorize them. So we can see that, okay, so if I were to rewrite the question here, 6ab plus 1 minus 3a minus 2b, I can see that this term 6ab and this 3a have a common term. I also have 6ab and 2b, so b is also a common term. So I can choose to group either way. Alright, so you can try it out and see which one is clearer for you, but either way you will get the same answer. So if I were to group this term and this term together, so let me first rewrite the question with these two terms side by side. So plus 1 minus 2b. Alright, so here you can see that for these first two terms, I can factorize out 3 and 8. So what I'll have left is 2b minus 1. Okay, plus, alright, so this second group is 1 minus 2b. Okay, so here you can see that in the first grouping, I have a 2b minus 1 in the bracket. In the second grouping, I have 1 minus 2b. Now, how do I rewrite this? So we know in maths, okay, if I have, for example, x minus 1, I can factorize out the negative sign and put it as 1 minus x. Okay, why? Because if I were to multiply this inside, I'll get minus 1. Multiply this inside, I'll get minus times minus, I'll get plus x. And this is x minus 1, which is the same as the original expression. Okay, so in order to change the positive and negative of a factored expression, I can change the sign that is outside the bracket. Alright, so what I can do here is, okay, over here I'm going to do that step, alright, and show you how to change the sign. So this positive, I'm first going to write the positive, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a negative, and then I'm going to change the positioning of the two terms. Alright, so as you can see, minus and plus here will give me minus 2b, and minus and minus will give me plus 1. Alright, so this factorization here is not changing anything. Okay, if I were to expand it inside, I'll get back my 1 minus 2b. Alright, and then what I can do is I can say that this is, okay, so the first part is the same, so the plus and minus, plus multiplied by minus, I'll get a minus, so I'll get 2b minus 1. Okay, so of course over here, though we don't write anything, there's actually a 1 here, correct, as the constant in front of this bracket, of the second bracket. So with that, you can see that since both the factored terms in the brackets are the same, that will be one factor, and what is remaining is 3a and negative 1. So 3a minus 1 will be the other factor. Okay, so that is the final answer here for this question. Okay, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you. Bye.